Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check which Apple Watch do you have. So, if you want to find the information on your Apple Watch, which Apple Watch do you have, you just need to go to the settings. As you can see in the applications menu, click the settings and now click general. And now you're going to go to about, and now as you can see we can find the model name. It's A2722. So now we are going just to Google it. As you can see, I have already done it. To Google, just type the model name right here, and now just by googling, as you can see, what series is A2722 Apple Watch, we're gonna find it. And as you can see, the A2722 Apple Watch is an Apple Watch Series SE with a 40mm midnight aluminum with midnight sport band. So this is on the US market, and if you are going to type the model name just to the Google or in every search engine that you wanna find it, there is going to some link, as you can see, that is going to tell you which Apple Watch do you have. As you can see, we can check the other one. So the A2723 is an Apple Watch SE 2nd gen with a 44mm case. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!